In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove plagiarism from ChatGPT. Now, you can type your question and ask ChatGPT something. Let's say, what is email marketing? Now, after you've gotten your answer, you can just copy your answer and go to quillbot.com. Type quillbot.com and it will bring you on this page. Now you can paste your answer here and click paraphrase. Now after you paraphrase, ensure that whatever you paraphrase has the same meaning as your answers. Now you will be checking and confirming if the meaning is still the same. And you can also use these options which are top here: standard, fluency, formal, the one that will suit your answer. Guys, that's how to remove plagiarism from ChatGPT. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.